Alright, welcome back, and this is what we have all been waiting for, alhamdulillah. So now we want to learn how to style our 3 pages website, and we pray Allah see us through and let us have a beautiful outcome. Okay, so let me first start with something. This is very fast, anyone can do it. First, we want to do something on our title. Let me tell you the essence of your title. You put what is related to what you do inside your title. So your title is one of those things that helps your SEO, search engine optimization. So make sure you put something related to what you're doing inside your title. So fashion, so education, and all of that depends on the name. So I'm putting the Queen of Web. So when anyone is searching for something web, I think they should be able to find me on Google. So I use the Queen of Web inside my title. Then my link, I linked my style.css. So everyone should be able to do this. I've done this under index. I've done the same thing under about, then I've done the same thing under services. Okay, now, so let's go to our style. Okay, before we start, let me quickly remove style. Okay, I've put something here. So let me remove what I have here. Okay. So let's go and view our index.html. Okay, I think the browser is open already. So see how everything looks now. Okay, so this is how it looks. Everywhere it is touching the margin and all of that. So now let's go to our style.css and put something there. Okay, so under the style.css, baby, come on, I will be declaring some things. So let me quickly paste it because of I don't want our videos to be too large. Okay, so this is body now. Let me tell you, I don't know if I've mentioned this before. By default, unless you want to bring out a particular styling, but by default your body should have padding 0 and margin 0. Then if you want to have background color, you can choose it. So this is off-white, so any background color of your choice you can actually choose. So I'm leaving it as off-white. Then after that, okay, let me cut out this container. Let me cut this out. Save it, baby. Okay, so let's go and view this little one on. Let's see the effect it has on our page. So imagine we put our padding 0, margin 0, then we chose a background color. All right. So this is what we have. Can you see it now? So that is what we have. Our padding is 0. Our padding is 0. Our margin is 0. Where's my logo? Girl, you're disturbing me. So we have the same thing throughout. So under our about, under our home, then under our services. Okay. So now let's go back and see and add another style for today. Oh God, this baby is disturbing my class. I'm sorry, everyone. So let me quickly explain. If you have been following very well, you will notice that every divider that I declare, I give it a class name of container. So that is, so I want to style that class now, like every divider that we have. how do I want them to look. So I'm putting a little style, like I want the width to occupy 80% of my screen size. Are you with me now? 80% of my screen size, then margin to be automatic, then overflow. So what do I mean by this overflow? Overflow is the property you normally use. Overflow is the property we normally use to declare. Let's say we have, we've been declaring dividers now, and I've explained divider under div and span. It's in HTML level 2 or something. I explained div and span. So our divider is like this. I'm coming like this one now. All this one, they fall under header, so they are inside one divider. This one too, subscribe to our newsletter and all of it, they are inside the same header, the same divider rather. So all these ones too, they are inside the same divider. So now I want everything like our divider is like a box. So I want it to be 80% of our screen size. Percentage is good in this case because it's going to work according to the size of your screen. But if you choose pixel, a particular pixel for PC may not work for small phone. Okay, so margin I've said automatic. Okay, overflow. So inside one divider, if you have a particular content, let's say the content is too large for that divider, you might have come across some sites whereby when you see a divider, okay, this is a content on this particular box. Let's say the box has pink background, something like that, and you see some content, you will realize that you might realize that the content is too much, that you start seeing some of the content that they are fading somehow. So until you click on them, that it will take you to the whole story. So that's what overflow has to do with anyway. So this one now says hidden. It means it should be hidden. But if it is automatic, it's going to give us a scroll bar. So it's going to show a kind of scroll bar to tell you that there is more content there. So that is what this works for. So now that I've put my width 80% and all of that, so let me quickly save and then come here to view it. This is how everything looks before. So you will see the 80% we are talking about now. You see, so it has adjusted itself. So it has adjusted itself to occupy just 80% of the screen. Just 80% of the screen. Alright, see you in the next class. Bye.